Hi everyone, it's Chef Mitosu Crafts. Thank you for joining me today for the Global Stampin' Video Hub with the theme of mashup, mixing celebration items with mini catalog products. So today I am sharing a card featuring the beautifully happy stamp set from Celebration, mixing that up with the Share A Milkshake Bundle, so the stamp set and the dies as well. So the papers I'll be using are basic white thick, 8 1/4 by 5 1/2 or 21 centimeters by 14 centimeters. I have a layer which is 1 centimeter smaller or 3/8 of an inch smaller than the card front, and offcuts for sentiment, as well as you'll need a piece of basic white thick as well for stamping and die cutting. So I have gone ahead and used Memento and stamped the main outline image on basic thick white and fussy cut it, as the stamp doesn't have matching dies. So we're gonna color this up using the filler stamps in polish pink. So we're gonna do the flowers first in polish pink. So ink that up and line it up. Next, I'm gonna use the leaves and for the top as well, and I'm using Granny Apple Green in 2nd generation. So have a bit of scrap paper and just ink that up and stamp off. Line that up. For a lighter color, and do the same for the other filler stamp. There we go. There's a small stamp for the middle, so I'm just gonna use balmy blue and fill that in. Now you can leave the image as is, but I'm gonna use the watercolor pencil, rich raspberry, and old olive just to add some shading onto the images. So mainly work from the center to add a bit more depth to the image. So working in a clockwise motion, back and forth, or whatever is easier for you. And for the leaves, I'm just gonna add some old olive underneath. I've gone ahead and die cut the grid twice in white. The ice cream toppers in pool party, so one in the big one and two of the small ones. And for the hearts, I've covered the basic white in clear packing tape or sticky tape and die cut that through, giving me shiny elements for the card. So before we adhere the elements on, I'm gonna do some stamping on the layer, and we're gonna turn the ice cream topper upside down, so we're actually stamping using the back of the stamp. So come in with a scrap paper. Again, we're using 2nd generation stamp off technique using balmy blue. So ink it up, stamp off, and stamp on, and giving you a lovely cloud effect. one and down there, and one more. So we're gonna add that on the card base, just flat, using your favorite adhesive. Just gonna use Tombow, and for the grid, I'm gonna use mini glue dots. So in a couple of areas closer to the middle. We're Depend Stampin' Up! Demonstrators based in the UK, so if you live in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, or Ireland, you'll be able to purchase current Stampin' Up! Products from our online shop. We're gonna add this on using dimensionals centrally. So just take off the backing. And then for the sentiment, we're gonna stamp Celebrate in Memento and also use the diagonal underneath. So in Memento, I'm just going to stamp that on, turn it round to create the continuation underneath, and we're just gonna snip the edges and also color underneath. So using Balmy Blue Light, I'm just going to continue on and add blue underneath. So we now have the sentiment. I'm just gonna add that on there. We're gonna finish up with the clouds and the hearts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and share to your crafty friends. Here you are, that's my card for the Global Stampin' Video Hop. If you prefer not to fussy cut, you can do it as a one layer, stamping onto the card front and stamping on top of the clouds first. I've added the heart stamps onto there in polished pink as well as adding more coloring with the rich raspberry onto the flowers. Check out the description below for the product links as well as the next link in the video hop. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, bye!